How to book Uber with car seat. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into the video. To book yourself a car seat in your Uber, open up your Uber account. Make sure that you are logged in. First step is to insert a location, that is your destination. Once you have set your destination in your Uber, you will be suggested some of the Uber rides along with the seat. As you can see at the bottom of Under More, you will see some of the seat option. You can select any of the seat option. The fee for the car seat will depend upon the number of seats that you require in your Uber. Now you can easily select the quantity of seat by tapping on the quantity option. If you want one seat, you can just set it to 1. Then just go ahead and check for the fee it requires. If you are happy with it, select the Uber with a designated car seat. Now, it will give you a display of your pickup and your drop-off, along with your total fee. Now you can select your Uber Cash or any of the payment method that you want to pay off with. Once you are confirmed with it, select the option of Confirm Car Seat. Once you tap on it, now your Uber will be on the way with a car seat reserved just for you. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.